Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add Google Translation to Google Chrome. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Chrome, then search for Chrome Web Store on your address bar. Then search for Google Translation and press on enter. Locate the Google Translate extension in the search result. It should be named Google Translation and have the Google logo. Click on the Add to Chrome button to the extension. A pop-up window will appear asking to confirm. Click Add extension to install it. Once installed, you will see the translation icon on the top right corner of the Chrome next to the address bar. To use the extension, click on the Google Translate action. Client translate icon. A drop down menu will appear. Allow translate the current web page or enter the text to translate. You can also configure the extension settings by clicking on the three vertical dots on the top right corner of the extension menu and select option. You can adjust translation settings and choose your preferred language in the extensions option. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.